Want to dominate PUBG Mobile in 2025 with buttery smooth 120 frame per second gameplay? You're in the right place. GadInsider has dropped the ultimate guide to the best 120 FPS phones, and I'm breaking it down for you. Top specs, killer features, and the edge you need to win. Let's jump in and level up your game. What's up, PUBG fam? Today we're talking the best 120 frame per second mobile phones for PUBG in 2025, straight from GadInsider's killer guide. If you're tired of laggy drops in a wrangle or choppy firefights, these phones are your ticket to pro-level performance. Let's run through the champs. First up, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This beast rocks a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED with 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Tensor G3 chip and 12GB of RAM. With a 5000 mAh battery and AI-driven gaming smarts, it's locked at 120 frames per second, perfect for sniping headshots without a stutter. Next, the OnePlus Nord 3, a 6.74-inch fluid ammo LED at 120Hz, MediaTek Dimensity 9000, and up to 12GB of RAM. It's got 80-watt fast charging on a 4500 mAh battery, so you're back in the game quick. Graphics, crisp. Frame rate locked at 120 frames per second. Mid-range price, flagship vibes. For Samsung fans, the Galaxy A34 and A54 are clutch. The A34's got a 6.6-inch Super AMO LED, Dimensity 1080 chip, and a 5000 mAh battery. 25-watt charging keeps it going. The A54 steps it up with a 6.4-inch display and Exynos 1380. Both hit 120 frames per second smooth, built tough for marathon sessions. Then there's the OnePlus 11. Flagship power with a 6.7-inch fluid ammo LED, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and up to 16GB of RAM. That 100-watt charging on a 5000 mAh battery? You're juiced up in 20 minutes. PUBG at 120 frames per second feels like cheating. It's that good. Want something wild? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, 7.6-inch foldable dynamic ammo LED at 120Hz, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and 12GB of RAM. Unfolded, and PUBG's a whole new world. Immersive, smooth, and 120 frames per second all day. Battery's 4400 mAh, but it's worth it for that screen. And for budget ballers, the Realme Narzo 50, a 6.6-inch IPS LCD at 120Hz, Helio G96 chip, and 6GB of RAM. 5000 mAh with 33-watt charging keeps it affordable and snappy. 120 frames per second on a budget? Yes, please. These phones pack 120Hz displays and top-tier chips to keep PUBG silky smooth. Whether you're dropping $499 or splurging at $1,000, there's a 120 frame per second beast here for you. GadInsider's guide nails it. Power, performance, and the competitive edge every PUBG grinder needs. So there you have it, the best 120 frame per second phones for PUBG in 2025. From the Pixel 8 Pro's AI magic to the Z Fold 4's massive screen, your next chicken dinner's calling. Which one's your pick? Drop it in the comments.